Welcome. In front of me is a Honor Watch ES, and today I'll go for unboxing and a quick spec look of this watch. So anyway, let's get straight into it. Now maybe before I actually open it up, I'm gonna quickly mention the specs because they are right at the back. So we have a 1.64 AMOLED display, 95 workout modes, animated fitness course. Sounds kind of interesting. Full health monitoring, long battery life and fast charging, and 5 atmosphere water resistant. Now 5 atmosphere is about 50 meters depth, so that is actually pretty good. Now let's get inside. So here's our watch, or maybe more like a fitness band. On a hinged little straps, so that's actually pretty nice. Let's see, do we get to turn it on with just power button, or do I need to plug it in? Look at that, I can turn it on without plugging it in. Nothing in here, and then we get charging cable. As you can see, it's magnetic, so you can just slap the device on here. And the other way. Now right here you can see the pretty big display for a fitness band. Looks pretty nice. It is AMOLED after all, so the colors and contrast here are phenomenal. And then below here, or next, we have just paperwork. So that's about all we get in the box. Now, one thing that I'll mention is this device is running its own OS, so it's not going to run Android Wear OS or anything like that. But because of that, that's technically a benefit for a fitness band, because the battery life here will be substantially better than any other smartwatch that is running Wear OS, obviously. And still, it has most of the functionality of like typical smartwatch that is running Wear OS, minus the custom applications that you can download from Play Store on those devices. But anyway, that's about it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.